Ngayon, maglalaro tayo ng 8-ball pool. So ngayon, maglalaro muna tayo niyan kasi wala akong magawa. Ang balik ko. Pasok natin ito doon. Bro, odds. Odds, bro. Odds, like, bro. What the hell is this odds? Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, bro. Oh, odds. Skip na natin yan. 8-ball lalaroin natin, hindi yan. Thanks. You have been rewarded. Yeah. Should we bet 20,000? Okay, bro. Let's play 20,000, bro. Pag nanalo, swerte. Yo, pag nanalo tayo, swerte tayo, pre. Ako na first shot. Bang. Okay. Na tayong isa. Masok natin blong ano. Sheesh, kuya dok. Oras. You are solids. Ay gagi, di ko maano. Please pumasok. Please pumasok. Ay, sayang. Nah, bro. Wala yan. Wala na. Oh, yung orange. Pwede niyang matira. Odoy. You can't shoot from there, bro. Wala pa yan. O, diba? Odoy. Bro, shot in the wrong place, man. Magduduga lang tayo ng konti kasi hindi na natin yung kakayanin. Oop. Pag may nashoot ako, odoy ako. Gagi yung green. Kita niyo ba? Dahil, tol, pag yan, hindi pa nashoot. Ay, nahulog. Bro. Ay, sayang. Hindi pa. Ay, wala na siyang tira. No more na. Ay, Odoy, ang layo. Wala yan. No. My turn. Tol. My turn. Beng. Dapat tansyado mo. No, tansyado mo dapat. No. Unti na lang. Unti ka na. Unti na lang. Wala. No. Ay, sayang. Shoot niya yung purple. Ay. Ba't ayun? Tira pre. Wala pa yan. Yo, bro, give. Oh, wala. Yan, tol. Saan naman natin ito shoot? Siyempre, sa gilid. Malakas tayo eh. Bang! Nice game, idol. Nice game. Nice game, bro. I win. Let's game. 20,000, bro. Yeah, let's game, bro. Nice game, man. Nice game. Yo, nice game, bro. Siyempre, kailangan natin siya. Isa pa, baka matalo na ako nito. Ito yung time na matatalo na ako. Thanks. Silver League, man. I've been promoted. You've been promoted. Ano yan? Go. Uy! Goal. First shot. Walang masushoot, pre. Sa lolo. Siyempre, bago magluto, tayo yung maglolo. Oh! Bago magluto, tayo yung maglolo. Bang, bro. Sabi siya eh. Bago magluto, tayo yung maglolo. Diba? Try natin shoot dyan, no? Ay, Odoy! Pala dun. Sorry. Sorry, bro. Hindi pa na-shoot sa lo talaga. Lo. Ay, na-shoot. Oh my god, bro. Yo, bagal, bro. Put the green, bro. Yung green. Hindi ba naniwala siya? Odoy. No, you can't shoot that, bro. No. Yes, bro. He ain't done it. Wait lang, tol. Kailangan mo yung tansyahin eh. Sa lolo. Oh, di ba? Sabi sa inyo, maglolo lang tayo tuwing umaga. Ala! Hala, ba't ko napindot? Oh, I'm so dumb. Tama yun, sobrang bilis, di natin nakita yung bola. Hindi kayo kasi, isa sa lolo. Yan. Gogi, easy shots na lang siya. Oh my god, it's my lucky day. It's my lucky day, bro. It's a cheat meal today, bro. I'm a cheat meal, bro. It's my lucky day. See, you need to look before. What the fuck? Lo, nashoot ko po yun sa kanya. Ang galing. Talo yata ako dito. Putek na yan. Matatalo yata tayo dito. Kasi yan tol. Harang pre. Wala na yan. Wala na yan, diba? Sabi siya eh, magsalulo ka lang eh. Bush? Salala. Kaya natin dito dahan-dahan. Need to be hocus pocus. Sure ball. Oh no! Real or fake? Oh no, real. Tinatansya ba? Tira mo na. Tira mo. O pasabugin ko bahay nyo. Oh. You're good. Kailangan humble. Nice game bro. Nice game. Oy, sayang. Nice game. Nice game. Talo pa tayo. Outbreak pre. Oy. Kuligyat bro. Oh, young bro, chill out, man. You need to hit that girl. What the fuck? Nigga. Huh? Oy, pa ako yun ah. Oh. The fuck? Puta ka ninyo. Puta ka ng babae ka. Ala! Lumusot sa legs. Oy. Ano yun? Hala! Ba't doon? Shot! ubos pera natin doon. Kaya, susunod na muna nating laro. Manonood na muna tayo ngayon, tol. Dalawa topic natin. Manood at maglaro. Yak, ano to, guys?
This man is called a devil by the villagers. He lives surrounded by thousands of snakes, letting them crawl all over his body. The locals call him a wizard as he sleeps with, and even puts deadly puff adders, snakes that can kill instantly, in his mouth. But when he placed one of these snakes in his mouth, something shocking happened. But wait, quick question. Which of these houses would you give to?
We were just kids when we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I will not give you up this time, darling, just kiss me slow. Your heart is so lion, and in your eyes
Have you ever wanted to play a game where you're actually...
And I'm walking from Asia to Europe right now. I'm standing right now on the line, which is 165 meters high and 1,074 meters long. I've never been on the line like this. It connects two continents, Europe with Asia. Let's see where I am right now. Europe or Asia? I think I'm closer to Europe. Keep going. And we are in Europe. And I'm walking from Asia to Europe.
Give it some gas.
Well, it's going.
All right.
It's going in.
Keep going.
Oh! Oh!
Take two. Hopefully this will get all of it out. Oh, this thing is gonna clear it.
Oh! Oh!
Okay, get that in, Keep going, keep going.
What is that?
Oh! Oh, that was so fun. Culvert number 2.
Yeah.
Must.
2 years.
Here it goes.
Oh!
It's scary.
It's folding up.
Keep going. Okay. Go the other side. Other side. Okay, now floor it. Yeah! Give it some gas.
Well, it's going.
All right.
Still worried about running up?
Yo. Nanonood tayo ngayon ng... By the way guys, ito ang pangalan ko sa YouTube, pre. This one. Pinapaano ko pa yung YouTube channel ko. Pero panoorin nyo, ang gaganda nyan. Sheesh, bro. Yan yan, oh. Smoke. It's your boy, Smoke. Ito pa lang ang subscriber ko. At ito yun, yung tablet na to. Shootouts. Hindi. Maglalaro na lang tayo ng Roblox. O Dunking Simulator. Alam niyo ba yung mga T30 na dami? Gagawa kong vlog tungkol dun bukas. Boom. Kinat ko muna kasi nag-chat si mama. Pero game. Dunk contest tayo ngayon, tol. We're on a dunk contest. 41. Dang! 50. Yo! Dubs, man. Let's see, bro. Let's see. Sino panalo? Let's see sino panalo. Oh! Gang! With the score of 200. My name is Ging. Look. Where's my username? This Ging, Roy. Ging. This Ging, my boy. Ayaw mag-focus pero kita na Ging na bro. Gang, bro. That's my username again, bro. Look. Where is my username? It not gang. So guys, doon na siguro may tatapos ang video ito. Kung gusto niyo ng part 2, maglaro ulit tayo noon. At ingat kayo guys and love you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Love you. Good night sa inyo. Happy night, guys. Ingat. Bye-bye.